What makes Jessie special is that she is fearless. She takes on a challenge, she figures it out, and she follows through. And that's the way she's been ever since I first met her.
Jessie leads in a way that I find unique because she's confident and also not afraid to ask for help. It builds trust.
The funny thing is, Jessie was in the first class I ever taught at Cal Poly, so I don't know who was more nervous, me or her.
My first entrepreneurship class was really wonderful because I think it was the first time that I was really inspired to take a hold of a subject and apply my own thought process and learning to it.
InPress started as a student project at Cal Poly, but very fortunately, Jessie Becker found them when they were still just out of being a student project, and as the other people who were involved in it went away, Jessie held it together until it was ready to become a company.
InPress Technologies is a medical device company that has a technology that treats postpartum hemorrhage, which is the #1 cause of maternal death in the world.
The InPress device is really great because it works directly with the body's physiology, helping the uterus contract while stopping the hemorrhaging.
We were lucky to be a part of everything from the elevator pitch competition to the first iteration of the Hot House accelerator and incubator.
Jessie was always around, everybody was part of it, and we really feel proud to have been sort of a big part of the early story of InPress.
We've completed one study, and that study was in Jakarta, Indonesia, and we did that in 3 different hospitals in the middle of a busy city center.
It worked better than any of us thought it would work. I got to see the face of someone who it helped, and someone who the physician said if the bleeding hadn't stopped, she wouldn't have survived. So that was really huge.
InPress, to me, has the potential to have an enormous impact upon health across the world.
Learn by doing is really at the core of our team at InPress.
How could Jessie not embody Cal Poly's Learn by Doing? This is a young woman who took over a biomedical device company without ever having had a course in that, learned how to run it, brought on the right people, and just, dove in the pool.
Jessie's learned to be a great CEO, and she's learned to do global outreach.
I think the most important thing for a young entrepreneur is to be highly coachable, highly motivated, and highly persistent. And Jessie embodies all 3 of those traits.
When we think about the potential impact our technology can have for mothers around the world, it's incredibly motivating. And it also is an incredible responsibility to do right by this technology and to bring it to the world.
Jessie is a leader who tries to look at the big picture, and she brings her passion with her to everything she does, which is inspiring.
Jessie is the perfect choice for this honor, not just because of InPress, although that is a great company, but because I think she's aspirational for what we want all Cal Poly alums to be, which is taking leadership, driving towards the future.